Well, hello there, friend. Thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out. Andrew Najera here at Drew Installs Hardware. Today, I'm going to show you how to do the retrofit KC trim, key capture trim. This basically lets you take a operating lever, which we find on a lot of schools, a lever that moves up and down where you can lock and unlock the trim. This is a retrofit kit that lets you change the function of that panic and trim to allow it to be just basically locked all the time and only unlock when the key is in and engaged, and when you turn it a certain amount, it lets you unlock the trim, and then when you remove the key, that trim is locked again. So in a lot of ways, it functions just like a storeroom lock. It's key access only and always locked, but it's with a trim that you used to be able to lock and unlock. So I definitely see why this function would be useful. I definitely see, with the world we're living in, why keeping doors locked all the time is important. And like, especially for teachers, for one, knowing if their door is locked or unlocked is important, but also I just say it's just more important just to have that door locked all the time and let the teacher be 100% in control when that door is unlocked or accessible from the outside. So that's what this does. And I was looking at the instructions close, and it's basically you remove the night latch screw, which you already have done for a trim that can get locked and unlocked, but it's just making sure you do that again if you haven't already. Like, this was a brand new install, but they provided me with this, so they wanted this function, so I'm going to give it to them. But it has very specific instructions on the orientation of that, the part where the rim cylinder engages to, because you're only going to turn it so much. You're not going to turn it 180 degrees anymore, ever. You're just going to turn it enough to pull that slider that blocks the function of the trim. You're going to turn that key just enough to let the trim lift that actuator, and you'll turn it, lift the actuator, and then when you remove the key, it's back locked again. And that's really important for what the teachers have to deal with nowadays. They have to have these things locked. They have to know they're locked. And when there's an emergency on campus, they have to know they're secure and that their kids are safe. So it was fun installing this, and you know, it's a tough subject where we have to worry about life safety for kids and teachers, but it's definitely necessary. We got to keep everybody safe, and door hardware is just one very small part of that process, and let's just keep everybody safe. So thanks so much for hanging out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy hardwaring.